In this video, I'll show you the best settings and key bindings for beginners in League of Legends. Now keep in mind some of it is just for your preference, however there are some things that I think everyone should do if they want to improve. Now the first one is make sure you're not playing locked. So make sure you're not locked down here, because if you play lock screen like this, it limits your field of view, so make sure you are playing unlocked. Now it can be a little bit uncomfortable the first few games if you're used to playing locked, but it's really important that you're playing unlocked. Now first, into hotkeys, what you want to do is play quick cast. This is the best for 99% of people. If you're not used to it, because you don't know the range of your stuff, you can add something else here under abilities and summoner spells. Now I recommend having everything on quick cast, and then a second key for quick cast with indicator. Now what this will do is, if you hold down Alt and Q, you can still see the range, but if you just press normal Q, it's just gonna quick cast. Now for the hotkeys, I also recommend having with the items, you should have something that you can easily press. If 1 and 2 is fine for you, then that's fine. However, I have C and V on 2 of my items because it's easy for me to press. Now hotkeys is simply just preference most of the time, but I think quick cast is a must. Secondly, in player movement, what you need is player attack move. You need to have this on a button that you can easily press. It's this one, not this one. Mine is on A, and then what you need to get used to is pressing A and then clicking to attack. Simply like this. Instead of right clicking to attack. Press A and click to attack people. Now with that said, what you need to do is also you want to head into game. Make sure auto attack is turned off. Make sure attack move on cursor is turned on. What this will do is when you press A and click somewhere, you're going to attack the nearest target to your mouse instead of the nearest target to your champion. So if you have it off, if you click here and there's a champion here, you're going to hit this guy instead of the one over here. So make sure you turn this on. Then what else you want to do is make sure you have use movement prediction on. It's basically just going to do so you can turn like this really fast, as you can see. After that, what you can do is come up here and you can do this however you want. I like a fast mouse speed so I can easily kite, but you can do whichever you want. In interface, what I suggest is you change the hot scale to a small amount. If 0 is too small for you, then you can just do like this, but having it on 100 is going to limit your view a lot. Cursor scale as well, prefer a smaller one. If you have it on the highest, it can be hard to press on the correct target if there's many minions or something, so I prefer having it on a small amount. Now the rest is just preference. What I think you should do here is, I think you should come down in interface, activate all of these so you can see everything, and then I think you should go up here and change your ability to minutes plus seconds, so you can see the exact time that your ability will be ready again. Make sure you have these turned on as well. Show spell cost is important if you want to calculate your combo when you're low on mana, if you want to check if you can do the entire combo. Now sound is not really important. Video, I suggest just going everything on low. You don't really need anything in League of Legends except the performance. You could argue that maybe having shadows on is useful, but I don't really mind that much. FPS, if you have 144 screen, a 144 FPS will be just enough. You don't need more, you don't need less. I'm just playing on 144. You can play on more if you want, doesn't really matter. And that's about it for the settings, guys. Now, like I said, the hotkeys, you can just choose them whatever you want, but quick cast is really important. Now, the game settings will be right here, so you can pause it and check them real quick. Same with interface. These, and these, and these. Now, with that being said, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.